We live in a remarkable time. The digital age has connected us in ways unimaginable just a few decades ago. Information flows freely, connecting distant corners of our world. This interconnectedness brings incredible opportunities, but it also exposes us to new vulnerabilities. Just as our physical world has boundaries and defenses, so too does the digital realm. Cybersecurity is the guardian of this digital frontier. It safeguards our data, our privacy, and our digital lives. Understanding the tactics of malicious actors is paramount in this ongoing battle. One such tactic, as subtle as it is effective, is enumeration. It's a reconnaissance mission in the digital world. Hackers use it to gather valuable information about their targets. Think of it as a burglar casing a house before attempting a break-in. By understanding enumeration, we empower ourselves to build stronger defenses. We become more aware of the subtle signs of digital reconnaissance, and we can take steps to protect our digital assets from those who would exploit them. In the vast expanse of cyberspace, knowledge is power. For cyber attackers, this knowledge often comes in the form of enumeration. Enumeration is the process of extracting information about a target system. It's like a detective piecing together clues at a crime scene. Hackers use various techniques to gather this information. They might scan for open ports, identify running services, or even try to uncover usernames and passwords. The goal is to build a comprehensive profile of the target. Enumeration is often a methodical, multi-stage process. Cybercriminals follow a series of steps to maximize their information gathering. Each step builds upon the previous one, painting a clearer picture of the target. The initial phase often involves network discovery. Hackers use tools to identify active IP addresses within a target range. This is akin to a thief scouting a neighborhood to identify occupied houses. Once active systems are identified, the focus shifts to port scanning. This step helps uncover open doors into these systems, revealing services running on specific ports. Imagine a burglar checking for unlocked windows and doors. Service identification follows port scanning. Hackers delve deeper into the open ports, determining the specific services running on them. This helps them understand the purpose and potential vulnerabilities of each service. Finally, the attacker might attempt to enumerate usernames, group names, and even shared resources. This information can be leveraged to launch targeted attacks, exploiting known vulnerabilities associated with specific users or services. Section 4. The tools of the trade, essential enumeration tools. Cybersecurity professionals rely on a diverse array of tools. These tools automate and streamline the enumeration process. Nmap, short for Network Mapper, is a powerful tool for network discovery and port scanning. Nessus is a vulnerability scanner that identifies weaknesses in systems. Metasploit is a penetration testing framework for enumeration and exploitation. These are just a few examples of the many tools available. Section 5. Enumeration in action, real-world scenarios. To truly grasp the significance of enumeration, let's examine a few real-world scenarios. These examples illustrate how attackers leverage enumeration to compromise systems and steal sensitive information. Imagine a scenario where a hacker targets an online retailer. They begin by using Nmap to scan the retailer's website for open ports. They discover an open port associated with a vulnerable version of a web server. In another scenario, an attacker targets a company's employees. They send phishing emails containing malicious links. When an employee clicks the link, it triggers a script that silently enumerates their username, computer name, and internal network information. These examples highlight the diverse ways attackers can exploit enumeration. From compromising online businesses to stealing sensitive corporate data, the implications can be significant. By understanding these real-world scenarios, organizations and individuals can better prepare for and defend against these threats. Section 6. Charting your course, practical tips for aspiring cyber defenders. The world of cybersecurity is constantly evolving. New threats emerge daily, demanding vigilance and adaptability. For those just starting, here are a few tips. Never stop learning. Stay updated on the latest threats and vulnerabilities. Practice makes perfect. Hands-on experience is invaluable. Network and collaborate. Connect with other professionals and join online communities. Embrace the challenge and remember your vital role in safeguarding our digital future.